This is from Sylvia. How much emergency money should we have on hand?
Well, Sylvia, I always like at least an 8-month emergency fund. So what do I mean by that? Look at all of your expenses. Expenses that you have to pay every month. Your rent and your mortgage, your utilities, your gasoline, your insurance payments, whatever that may be, and you add those up and you should have 8 times that amount of money. If you're going to have something happen to you, you then stop eating out, you stop going to movies, you stop doing all those things, and then you should be okay. That's how you do it.
Yeah.
And why 8 months? Because it will probably take you 8 months to get another job.
That's right.
If not longer.